Hi, just a quick video I thought I'd shoot because I'm trying to figure out how to network these two printers I've got. Both of them I got in the dumpster dive, of course. The HP Color LaserJet 3700 here, which I got a network card for in my mailbag yesterday, and the 3600 you just saw. I want to use these for printing my labels. For my shipping and stuff like that. Unfortunately, my Toshiba eStudio 16S photocopier, quite nice. It's only black and white, but it's prints A3 and you know, scans and does all the business. Quite old, but I thought I could use that as a printer. I also found this in the dumpster as well, and it's perfectly working. It's got lots of toner left. And but unfortunately, it doesn't even have a Centronics interface, so I can't even do like GDI printing or anything like that. So, but anyway, what I've got down under here, excuse the crap quality of this, but there's an Ethernet cable coming out of there, and I've had this in the office for quite some time, and I've plugged it in, and I thought it went all the way over here. I actually thought it went over here and popped out under here, because I've got this Ethernet cable which came with the office when I actually moved in here, and it just pops out the wall down the bottom down in there, and you know, I thought that's where it joined, but it doesn't. I plugged this into my router. This is my new VDSL wireless router. It's Planet Telecoms if you're interested. It's just the one they supplied. Anyway, yeah, I thought that was it, but I plugged that in, and that kills my internet connection, so it doesn't go over, you know, I don't have like a network tester or whatever to measure where it actually goes to. So I thought, okay, maybe it pops out over here, and because this was also installed in the office as well, there's an Ethernet plate there, and there is a cable going in the back of it, if I recall correctly, so I thought I might pop over there. So I plugged my cable into there, and it doesn't work at all. So where the hell is that cable going to? I don't know of another cable there anywhere. So anyway, I'm going to have to follow it up in the roof and see where it goes. Well, I traced the problem, and here's my Ethernet cable coming out of the wall here that I was having a problem with. I used just a little switch, and I actually connected that in and wasn't getting anything. By the way, if you haven't seen my webcam, here it is. This is my live webcam. If you go to EEVblog.com/live, it operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Anyway, let's go up here in the roof, and I found a few interesting things. I've got to prop this up with my head. If you haven't seen inside these roof spaces before, there you go. All the aircon units up there. And anyway, here's all the cable down in there going down into my wall. And so this here is the cable that came out, and I pulled it, and it seemed pretty loose. And what do I get? Wah, 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 wah. There's your problem right there. That cable actually goes nowhere. And on top of that, the one that's coming from my wall over there, the one I showed just tucked around the corner over there, that one comes all the way over here. You can see it there in the center, the blue one coming up over, and it curiously comes over here and then buggers off, and it goes, I can sort of see it without actually getting my ladder, going down in the corridor and doing that, but it basically goes it looks like it heads all the way down the corridor there, and down the end of that corridor is the comms cupboard. So it looks like that one leads to the comms cupboard. So I've got nothing going over here at all. I thought, oh yeah, you know, this will go somewhere. I had two other Ethernet ports in the room, and it doesn't. I never bothered to look at it when I actually moved in. I never had a need for it. And, well, turns out it doesn't bloody well go anywhere. It's really annoying. I'm going to have to run my own one. It's not hugely hard. It's just messy. You've got to get up here in the tiles, you know, you've got to take them off sort of every one or every second one or something, and sort of shuffle it all along the roof. And yes, that is my train set, by the way. You'll see me playing with that on the live webcam. Sagan comes over, he wants to play with Daddy's N-scale train set. Yes. And anyway, well, that's really bloody annoying. So I'm going to have to run my own cable. I'll get like a 10-meter cable. The problem is running it down that wall is not easy. I was hoping to sort of like reuse that existing one. I could probably terminate the other end of it up in there and then join it, and then put a joiner up there and just go across to the existing outlet over there, I guess. Whatever. Anyway, that's it. Sometimes you don't win. Catch you next time.